So we have one of these ice makers at our bar on the other side of the kitchen here. My wife wanted one for our lake house. She loves it so much. We actually entertain up there a lot more, so pebble ice for cocktails is much more important there. The one that we currently bought was out of stock, but this one had good reviews, so we figured give it a shot. It does have a actual water feed, and they did include, my old one, I had to go buy this, but water feed, right? The recycling the water. Let me show you the base. And the other thing about this one is there's a nice insulation on the lid, right? So it keeps your ice from melting. One of the other features that I recognize is ours. The little thing, and again, you're not supposed to get glass and pick your ice up because if it breaks, it ruins the whole batch and everything else. Get charged with glass. So you keep this in here, but ours gets buried. This one has two nice little spots where it can be stored out of the way and the handle's accessible. Just really thoughtful to do that. This one has an auto clean, which is awesome. Water low, ice full. So again, you could do a manual water add or from the basin below, or you could have your water in. What else did I want to say? Oh, our bar at our lake house, we don't have height restrictions like this, like our cabinets at our home, but it doesn't lock up, but it stays up, so that's nice. This will be on the bar, nothing above it. I'm trying to think of something else. I took some measurements on it. I will say it's heavy. It is a beefy machine. The other thing I did really notice, again, on the sides, kind of hidden, but you don't want to block this, so keep in mind wherever you're putting it, the air intakes and fans, like the cooling units are there, so you don't want to block those. Put it up right up against something. Really nice gray gunmetal finish. And when I say gunmetal, a lot of it's lighter. This is really dark. I wish I had, okay, if you can see that, and you can see that's like a brushed silver actually right underneath. So that's your normal, this is actually a dark brushed silver. It's a dark gunmetal. It looks almost black. I mean, if you had black appliances, this would absolutely go with it. Other than that, pretty good, nice long power cord, and pretty happy with it. I will take some photos of exact measurements for you guys after this.